Now let's further pick up the Indian textile history. Here we see that when Indian textile boomed so much in England, that is, everybody started demanding just the Indian textile, that is the time that the merchants there, the producers of the cloth there started protesting against the usage of the Indian textile. And this widespread protest led to the government banning the Indian chintis in 1720. That is the same cloth, the cheat cloth that we have. And interestingly, the act was called as the Calico Act. After this, we see that the government tried to help the newly developed industry of textile in Britain by giving them certain incentives and also by helping them from all angles. We see at this time the calico printing industry was started in Britain, and here the Indian designs, they were being made on the cloth at Britain itself. And later on there were certain scientific discoveries which again revolutionized the textile industry of Britain, leaving behind the Indian textile industry. The spinning jenny was invented in 1764 by John Kay, and in 1786 the steam engine was invented by Richard Arkwright, which again revolutionized the production of textile in Britain.